Got a new package in from FedEx. Got these off Premier Skate Shop. Let's get to it. Comes with the Premier bag. Receipt. Nike Dunk Low Premium SBs. Retail 100. 7.5. Wolf Gray. White. These are the Nike SB Marty McFlys. They had a little small restock, and I was able to pick these up. Like the nylon material, the little speckles, translucent sole. It's the inside. It says Nike SB Zoom. Very clean. The leather swoosh. Like the puffy tongue. Very clean colorway. Comes with the sticker. Premier. Extra gray laces. I'll probably stick with the white. Newest pickup. Tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Alright, talk to you guys later. Peace.